Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll learn quick step on how to change search engine in Chrome. Open up the Chrome browser in your PC. Click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Select and click on Settings. Once the settings page is opened, you click on Search Engine on the left hand side of the page. Once the search engine section is opened, you click on the change button beside your Google account. Then you change it or you choose your desired search engine in the list that appears. Then you change it or you choose your desired search engines in the list that appears. Let's choose this. Then you select set as default. Now, when you open a new tab, the mail is now in the search engine that you change it to, as you can see here. So that is how to change search engine in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more of this. Bye guys.